Hi guys, my name is Sarah Bianco and this is going to be my presentation. I'm going to do it with a focus on leadership, which is my degree. I have general studies with a concentration of leadership. So my presentation is going to be on that. I'm using Slidebean for my presentation. What is Slidebean? Slidebean is a presentation template program aimed to make presentations and programs for small companies. They handle everything automatically for those companies. So how can it be used with leadership? So there's several different ways that Slidebean can actually be used for leadership. Bosses in my company often are showing different videos and giving different information every week with new changes in laws that come in. We have to adjust those, so it's an easy way for them to get that information across each week differently, so it's not just the same program over and over again. So examples, there's different types of polls and charts that they offer for you to use in here, as well as you can upload your own videos and pictures to keep everything relevant with what you're talking about. So Slidebean can be used to make different presentations for work. When you're a leader, you want to make sure you switch things up, and Slidebean makes that easier for you to manage. So here's just a little presentation that I've made. In my job, we have a district. There's a couple different districts, and then in that district there's different teams, and each team is responsible for making sure that the accounts are active and that we are closing them out properly. And the goal is 30% for each team. So you can see in our district that every team is meeting that 30% goal. My conclusion with this Slidebean program would be that I overall enjoyed it. I didn't feel like it was too hard to use. They had lots of different options for pictures, videos, animations, and charts and graphs. It was pretty self-explanatory. You could change the colors and themes and fonts pretty easily. My only complaint was that an ad kept popping up to get me to buy the software, and while I understand that it is a paid program and you can only do so much with the free program, but it was just annoying that it kept repeatedly popping up over and over again, even though I kept clicking out of it. And then for my references, I just used the Slidebean website. They had a lot of information on there. And then they also had a link to a YouTube video, which I watched as well, that just gave some more information on what Slidebean is and what the company does. Awesome. So next I'm going to take you and show you how you would create a presentation with Slidebean. So once you create your own account and log in, you can come into here. You can see this was the project that I already made, and then you can hit create new. There are new presentation over here. They have different templates, blank presentations, or you can import one of your own. I did a blank one to start with just because I wanted to see everything. I didn't want to use a template. Just because, like I said, I wanted to get to know it a little bit better. But the template is going to be the easiest way. There's different themes that you can use. So you can look over the themes, and they have different options in them, and you can switch them all up. You can delete slides, you can add slides. So if you want to use the template, it just gets in here and it asks you questions on what you need to do, like what's your company name, what products are you looking to sell or promote, information on how to contact you, how to solve any problems. So it does give you a really good rundown of giving you some idea of what you would need to do with it. Like I said, I just used the blank one because I wanted to explore a little bit more myself. So if you come here, then you'll see it pops all this up, and you can go in and individually edit each item. Individually type in each item and edit each screen itself. So it does give you a lot of options. So that's it for my presentation, and I hope you enjoyed.